Okay guys, right now I'm not in a good mood because I spent like the past 15 minutes making the same exact video about this. And it caused that like mess up, so I'm kind of mad. So anyways, I met this guy called Doodles on a game. He said, "You want to play some want to have some Robux for free Robux?" So I said, "No, I'm not using my main." Oh my god. Okay, anyway, so this is the game he was talking about. I don't want to go through all of this. I made a new account, and this is called Free Robux. How many people? We have 14 people playing it, and in the servers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all these people. They're all gonna get scammed. So, anyways, I made a new account. I don't want to get hacked. 11. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, anyways, I'm in this game. I'm in the game. It looks pretty terrible. I spent like the 15 minutes on that. I don't know why, but look what happens when you die. But it looks like someone snaps your neck or cuts off your neck. Look, looks like a second. Also, they made the Ono Roblox. Come on, guys, and they haven't accepted. Okay, anyways, I also messed up one for some reason. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be doing some. I'm gonna probably start some trolling videos. Also, you guys have been wondering why I haven't made any video. You guys haven't been wondering why I haven't been making videos. I had to catch up on a lot of schoolwork. I've been sick. I missed 4 days of school, and job and all that. Then I was why? My father's I got on this. So yeah, I had to catch up on school. So that's why I've been making videos, and I could have done it even though. And also, I have like D's in like every single class. Like, ooh, oh, no door. No, what? I just want to see. Wow. This is hard. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna type in my password. I think that's my password. Damn it. Okay, I put in my password. I might have to make a new account because I don't remember the password for this. But anyways, I had 2 things that I did with this. So yeah, this game. So yeah, I don't see it. I have a new account and then redo this all and and make sure I remember the password and yeah. See if I do get hacked on a different account. Damn it. Okay, so what I just said about earlier, I'm not gonna make a new account. Oh my god, I do have to make a new account. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna be playing more, yeah, I'm gonna play some different ones. And also, I just watched over the video I just did. Yeah. Anyways, I just watched over the video I just did. Okay, I just don't. Oh my god, I just watched over the video I just did, and if the microphone's like like cuts out anything, I'm sorry. You guys just have to suck it up. So my password is not gonna tell you actually. Oh god dang, I already forgot it. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Email, sign up, gotta do all that stuff again on a different game. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with my computer? Nope. Go survive to patent. I don't know. Problemos. So let's go play some more free Robuxs. Roblox. Free Robux. God damn it. Oh, sorry. If you wondering why I don't talk or well, I don't type, that probably means I'm trying to concentrate. I type in free Robux, free admin, of course. Let's play this one. This has 6 people playing, so this has to be good. Free Robux. How many people are playing? Why? There's like 27,000 people got hacked. Hey. Like, look at that, because that's been like, these people spent Robux on the game. They're just gonna get hacked. I need people to know. I don't want people to lose the money. Hey, welcome. Here's another thing. On this game, it's Roblox. How am I doing this when I can't see my character? Hey, no, and I'm dead. Yee. It looks like in this game. Do they like chop your neck? And the funny thing is, there is one other people playing this game. Come on now. Whoa. Hey, no. Wait a sec. You smell like soot. You smell like hack go block. I'm gonna try to complete this. Get ahead of all this, or just make you guys watch me suffer. Let me get like ugly, not ugly. Mad at this. So yeah, what if that's a checkpoint? I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah, so I made it this far, and I don't know what this does. Is that the same exact thing from the? Oh my god, it's free, same exact thing. It's my password. No! I know this is the password to this game. I know it is. I even check. I have a bad memory. Recording for like 3 minutes account. I'm caught. As you can see, I have a major cough. And I have caught like big cough drops right here. Oops, dropped on my keyboard. And I don't want it. Maybe won't even let me log. Maybe they only hacked my account. And then get no, you ain't logging out, bitch. Okay, so if you're even talking about my mom's sick, and I don't want to get sick up. Yeah, I'll let you guys talk about. What's my username on this again? What's my username? I don't want to be I don't hack 22. Okay, I could put that. So yeah, I remember the password. Roblox 1. Please. Did I get it? Looks like I did it. Mamma mia. Oh, this. Damn it. God dang it. Oh my god. Can't remember what account I just made. I gotta make another account. Now I'm just gonna log into my account. And it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me yelling at you guys. Also, another thing is, please don't trust. There we go, trust. Yeah, seems legit. Please do not trust the guy. I think I exited out his thingy. I'll probably never find his name again. It was So please do not trust Kua Doda. That's yeah. If you see this guy, just report him. Do not trust him. And I have one more thing to tell you guys. I think you guys should go join my group. I just made a group and I'll do Robux giveaways every 20 thingies. Here's my group. Here's my group right now. I just made it like yesterday. And so far, I already have people spamming. Yay, sup. So yeah, please come join the group. I will do giveaways like every 20 subscribers. I'm gonna make some t-shirts soon. And yeah, this is it's XX Guy Gamer XX Fan Club. So, oh, there's a group admin. I probably should not click that. I also only some friends for that. These are the only 2 people in it right now, cause how is there 3 members and there's 2? Oh, I'm one of them. So what happens if hold on? I'm just gonna do something. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, I thought it's okay. So I'm new to all this stuff, like group thingy. So I'm gonna have to like figure out how to give. Ooh, I make them the owner. Perfect. I'm gonna have to hey, I can report my own group. Group. Make primary. I'm gonna figure out how to do all this stuff. So yeah, make sure you come and join the XX Stud Gamer XX Fan Club. Yeah, and it should be have my name, YouTube Doggy. So yeah, don't trust that guy. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know whenever I'm feeling ready to make a video or talk to you guys. So yeah, peace out. Make sure you go subscribe. What am I doing in my life?